Hello and welcome to Easy Meal Ideas for Moms who are f***ing over it. This is potato sundaes. You start with potatoes, any variety. I went with store-bought variety. And then toppings, I went with cheese, a couple types of gravy, some veggies. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you want to put on there is absolutely fine. Ignore that I got organic. The store replaced it and I didn't want it. For the love of God, season your food also. Chicken and Beyond Meat for dietary differences in my own family, and there you go. Potato sundaes. Yummy and easy. And oh yeah, jazz hands for emphasis.
And yes, I can already hear you. Gwenna, you absolute puddle of ketchup jizz water. You just made mashed potatoes and chicken nuggets. You didn't even make the mashed potatoes. You bought those. This is not groundbreaking stuff. We're all already doing that. I know. The point here is if you call it something pretentious like potato sundaes, it feels like you tried. Okay, bye.